Module 4, Lesson 1, Wizard Step 1, Name and Channel, 3 minutes. This module is your first campaign send, end to end. 5 steps in the wizard, then send, then read live stats. Module 4 is also where every prior module pays off. The audience from Module 2, the content from Module 3, they all converge in the wizard. Click Campaigns in the sidebar. The Campaigns list opens. Click New Campaign at the top right. The wizard launches. You see the 5-step progress bar at the top. Name and channel, audience, content, schedule, review. The wizard remembers your progress, so if you close it and come back, you pick up where you left. Step 1, name. Type a name your team will recognize 3 months from now. Good names. Manufacturing Newsletter, week of October 14th. Black Friday VIP Early Access 2026. Welcome Series, new subscriber day 1. Bad names. Newsletter, test, untitled. The name shows up in your reports forever. Set it now, set it right. 5 extra seconds typing today saves 5 minutes of which one was this a year from now. Channel, 4 options. Email broadcast, 1 send, 1 set of recipients, scheduled or immediate. The default for newsletters and one-off announcements. SMS text message. Shorter form, higher cost per send, higher open rate. Push, in-app or mobile push notifications. Only available if you've connected a push provider. Paid ad. Pushes the campaign into Google Ads, Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, or X Ads as a campaign there. For this lesson, pick email broadcast. We're starting with the most common case. The choices in Step 1 constrain the rest of the wizard. Channel limits which content pieces appear in Step 3. Pick email broadcast and you'll only see email content in the picker. Pick SMS and you'll only see SMS content. Channel also limits which audiences are appropriate. Step 2 warns you if you've picked an audience whose subscribers don't have the channel set up. Name and channel are short to type, but they shape what comes next. Click Next. The wizard advances to Step 2. The progress bar updates. You can click back to Step 1 anytime. Nothing is saved until you complete Step 5 and create the draft. Step 2 is audience selection. We'll cover that in the next lesson.